Good afternoon, guys. Good evening. God bless you. Carl's here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. We are in Rockwall once again. I'm back again where I left off yesterday. You can see the Corvette. I did that one yesterday and it looks amazing. Today was the wife's turn on her brand new Mercedes. This thing came out really nice overall. Like I said, it's a brand new car, so the paint was really in good shape, guys. So I ended up doing we used Coach Chemi F6 with I used a Coach Chemi the orange pad on this paint, and it came out amazing, guys. For the coating, I used DPC T6 Plus, which is a 6-year coating, guys, and it did amazing. Overall, the vehicle came out really good, guys. Excuse me. A question I was asked recently is, hey Carlos, how did you get into paint corrections or ceramic coatings? Because obviously everybody wants to jump in on these ceramic coatings. So very honestly, guys, how to get into coatings is simple. Start working on your own vehicles, your families, right? Learn the correction process, and then get you a coating, whether it's a Adams or a graphene or whatever coating you want to use, armor, whatever coating you want to use. Learn it. You're gonna learn by messing up your own vehicle. That's how I learned, to be honest, is applying, learning the process, learning how it flashes and all of that, right? And here is where my business took off, and I hope it helps you guys. When you think you got the hang of the coating, offer a sale, right, to kind of get your foot in the door, right? In the beginning it may be a little bit slow because maybe not a lot of people have seen your work, or you don't advertise a lot of these packages, right? So whenever you put a sale, many customers are going to be skeptical about, one, your price, two, your work, right? But as long as you're transparent with your customers, you let them know, hey, look, I'm barely getting into this, I'm just looking for an opportunity, that's why the prices are so low. You know, customers are going to give you an opportunity, right? And once you master your craft, trust me, the rest will come, guys. Somebody asked me yesterday, hey Carlos, what is your ceramic coating sale, right? So for the month of September, guys, and trust me, some of y'all saw my prices on here and y'all were like, you're crazy. So a 3-year coating, guys, with a paint enhancement light correction, that one was $600, right? A 6-year coating was with the enhancement or light correction. This one was $800. And a 9-year coating with a light enhancement is $1,000. All right. And yes, those prices are ridiculous cheap. Trust me, a lot of people told me some stuff, and hey, I get it, but many times many customers can't afford these packages. All right, now some of y'all may comment on there, oh, but that's a Mercedes, they can afford it. Yeah, but guess what, these have been previous customers I've had for the long run, and I'm very blessed for the opportunity to, you know, continue doing business with them. So it doesn't hurt me whether they have a Lamborghini, a Ferrari, and they want to get my special. Hey, by all means, God bless y'all, I appreciate it, you know. But many people will probably judge, like, dude, those people have money. Many people comment stuff like that all the time. They got money, why are they getting the special? Because I put it out there and it's for everybody. I don't put boundaries of who's gonna take advantage of the special. So long story short, this one was actually in for a 3-year coating, right? And then we bumped it up to a 6-year, and then we finished with a 9-year on this one. So I think I said 6-year coating, my apologies, it's a 9-year coating this one got. So this one got a 9-year coating from DPC, and it looks amazing, guys. So overall, guys, always just put your best out there, right? It's not always guaranteed, these kinds of jobs. Everybody wants to do coatings nowadays. If you just started your business, everybody wants to do coatings, right? But my honest opinion, my honest feedback for you guys is learn your craft, take your time. It's not a race, especially when it comes to these high-end packages. Take your time, right? Learn your process, learn your steps, and then the rest will come, guys. I'm beyond grateful for the past 6 years I've been able to work and build my name, and it's truly a blessing, guys, to be able to work on these kinds of cars, guys. It's really amazing. But anyways, guys, happy Friday. Many guys will be like, holy crap, you're a tire. I know, guys, it's Friday. My boss let me dress however I wanted to work today, so I came to work in my in the best attire I could find. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. I think lately I've just been taking a different approach at life, as just, you know, just ever since I came back from Hawaii, I've been in flip-flops most of the time. So shout out to Erwin for that. Anyways, happy Friday, guys. God bless you guys. I'll see you guys hopefully on Monday with a new project, a new video, something different. God bless y'all. I'll see you next time.